In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a Squarespace domain to Google Sites. We'll be doing this directly from your Google Site settings, and the process is very straightforward. If you already have your site created in Google Sites and your domain managed through Squarespace, please you're in the right place. The goal here is to begin the domain connection from the Google Sites side so you can link your custom web address to your published site. Start by opening your Google site. Make sure you're on the site you want to connect to your custom domain, especially if you manage more than one project. It's a good idea to quickly confirm that you're editing the correct site before moving forward, since the domain connection will apply to this specific site. Once you're inside the site editor, go to the top right corner of the screen and click the settings icon. This opens the area where Google Sites lets you manage important site options, including domain-related settings. If you don't usually use this menu, take your time here and make sure the settings panel is fully open before continuing. In the settings menu, click on Custom Domains. This is the section where Google Sites allows you to link a personalized domain instead of using the default Google Sites web address. If your goal is to make your site look more professional and easier to share, this is the right place to be. After that, click on Connect Domain. This starts the setup process for attaching your domain to the site. Google will guide you through the initial connection flow, and this is where you begin telling Google which domain you want to use. Now, enter your domain in the field provided. Type the domain carefully to avoid mistakes because even a small typo can cause problems later in the setup. If you're using a subdomain, be sure to enter exactly the version you intend to connect. Accuracy matters here, so double check the spelling before moving on. Once the domain is entered, click Next. This takes you to the next stage of the connection process and confirms the domain you want to use with this Google site. At this point, you've successfully started the custom domain connection inside Google Sites. From here, Google will continue guiding you through the remaining setup, which typically involves verifying and finishing the connection with your domain provider. As a quick tip, if the domain doesn't work immediately after setup, that's normal since domain changes can take some time to update across the internet. And that's it for this part of the process. You've now set up the domain connection request from Google Sites and are ready to continue the final linking steps.